guys? As you can see, oh wait, so let me just give you a brief moment to take. So we're on a hike today, and we're gonna hike at somewhere in Terreal, Davao. This is our fit. So yeah, I think we're all ready. So let me give you a quick, brief fit check. So this is our fit. So yeah, I think I'm actually ready. Wala? So we're gonna go now, actually. So yeah, we're about to depart now sa apartment. We're on our way.
Ito nag-upload eh. Hindi mo close.
Close up. Still really early.
Diya?
Oo. I think I'm really sick right now. But I think we're about to depart now. So we'll stop vlogging since we're still gonna we're still gonna wait for a jeep. Pero yeah, we'll stop while it's early. So yeah, bye. See you guys later. What's up, guys? So I just started recording because the clips from earlier didn't register. But yeah, we're here at the trail now, and look at my hair is so messy. And I just took some pictures. Pero yeah, as you can see, this is like the view itself. It's pretty nice. And yeah. Here in this part, we actually got lost and ended up going to another route which wasn't part of our plan. But we ended up going forward because it was too far to return now. Lisod na po, mahimong part-time vlogger. Yan yung view natin, guys. Let's G! Very sweaty right now. Time check, it's 5:38 and we're approximately 1.6 kilometers on the way. Pero yeah, it's gonna be even farther at this point, as well as mas mataas yung mga pills na i-encounter namin. Pero yeah, my hair is so messy na I think I'm very haggard na. Pero I think we got this. Yeah, we got the gear on. So yeah, and I'm very confident about this gear. Anong connect. Pero this gear also helped me in my 28-kilometer hike, which is way longer than this one. But yeah, and unfortunately, I'm also sick right now. And masakit din yung ulo ko. What if dito sila tinulo tao ba? Yeah. I'm so sweaty. Ay man, naruta akong gagiyan. Iskut! Pero yeah, I think I'll just get back to you guys later pag we're at the falls na, because I think it's hard to yap while walking. Bye. Guys, time check. 6:12 a.m. We're almost there sa Vipers.
Roro took the wrong route.
Wrong route.
His stamina was depleted very bad.
I'm dead. I'm actually dead. Okay. Okay. I think if pangutanon ko ako akong past self nga moingon if kaya pa eh. I think kaya pa ganilibutan yung kuan.
Self-reflect na mga diyan.
Ang importante, nagsaka ka, gwapo gihapon ka.
Gwapo lang boss.
Gwapo ilambos sa...
Guys, basa na kayong buhok guys. As you can see, it's so wet. Just Lindon things. Literally wet. Like literal. Her clothes, kinana ang tarpaulin.
Tara,
Tara.
G na ko G! Gina! Tara! Or vlog.
Ikaw pa noon nagkauro tong hangin.
Or vlogger. Guys, malapit na po kami. Malapit na. Kuya Pan. We're almost there.
Ano?
Gali.
Sila okay tayo na 30 to 40 minutes.
Kaya ka bitaw. Wala tayong agi dito.
Mahadok ka na.
Gosh, I was caught on camera, bro. We're here! We're here! Nandito na po kami. Viper's Peak conquered again. Kain muna kami. Ito yung view.
Kaya lagi pa just for chin. Wala naman siya yan. Bata ni Dayon? Dito na siya magpapo.
Sorry, gikat off na ko ang vlog na ganiha. Kadrong mamatay ko. Oh shit.
Roro fail, matulog ka karon sa adlaw.
I think makaya pag false.
Dili na.
False alarm.
Ayun na, false alarm na ta.
Ang importante, guwapo pa rin. Mag-hike, pogi pa rin. Sipal. Guys, feel ko naka-contemplate na ako ngayon. Bakit ako pumunta dito? But it's okay. So I'll end it right here for a bit and yeah, we'll eat first. I'm dead, bro. So guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain. Ano ako kay Bugs? So yeah, and naka-change gear na rin ako, naka-change shirt na rin ako. So, okay, sure. So yeah,
Orange, I read this.
pababa na kami mga 10 minutes from now. So 7 and there's a dog. And makarating yata kami doon mga 8 siguro or 8:40. I just changed my clothes and yeah, so check, we've actually decided na mapunta na lang sa falls kaysa magbalik kami kasi I think it would be more sufficient that way, as well as yeah, it would be much better if magpunta na lang sa falls kasi mas kami, I think mas kampante kami, and then we wouldn't waste we wouldn't waste much more time as well. So yeah, we have a tour guide na and we paid an extra fee. Yeah, so this is very unexpected, pero yeah, we're gonna go there now and yeah, hopefully we'll make it. And those with my eyeballs, I wasn't able to get much sleep last night as well, and the other night, pero yeah, since I'm having a cough, so yeah, we're gonna go there. Look at the teeth. We've also replenished our water supply as well. I think I should have replenished water. I think this is okay. Yeah. And we still have food here as well. So yeah, we have our lunch. And I've also downloaded music as well. But yeah, I think we're ready. So we'll see you guys there when we'll see you. Bye. We're on our way to the falls na, listening to some Taylor Swift music. And we're here. Holy guacamole. Yeah. Chill lang. Chill salads. Pinagulit ko camera. May vlog ko.
Hey guys. So this is another venture of our life as we try to unravel this kind of adventures by not knowing what may come ahead. But what's best is that we're trying. And as you can see, Roro is trying his best.
Nakot siya yung staircase niya ba?
Kami nabuhat na. Pag ginero ha, kay imong kusog ro, kontrola ro. Kontrola yung kusog baka, layo po beta. Imong hangin, kontrola pod. Sud na.
Yate! Sama ka! Ah!
Pagani, gabi, ui.
Uy na parang sa vlog mo na, sa vlog mo
Wala
na.
sa mata.
Uy, sipan.
Na lang. Ha?
Jungle na.
Paginay ba? Nya. Mo na tong lalom kayo. Di pa no. Pero murag lalom na kayo paminahon. Yapon.
Loko! Hey!
Paginay, paginay.
Pink! Beginner lang. Look, gogi.
Ah. Oh, sige. Ayan. Saba ba? Sige-sagit ba kay mabuyagan na dari. Ako sa una. Igunit ako.
Okay.
Oh. Let's go! Dila ka nito, ano yung PC? Ano yung gamita?
Ano pa? Woo! Hiker!
Hiker, mata. Pag mas taas ang bukid na tuwa na sa tuwa. Tara. Shout out kay Kuya. Hindi mo. Tara, basta na tong tail room. Ibutan na yung cellphone ako daan sa bag. Ha? Ibutan daan niya ang cellphone sa bag. Woo! Guys, magbasa-basa na ta.
Ay, ako! Pakita ang tail. Yes! Ah!
Ginaya. Danlog na ba yun? Basa na yung tail. Dako, screen time yung vlog ni ha.
Ang screen time na mo ba?
Ang sharing na to sa profit.
Hala! Okay!
Ang sharing sa profit ano kay 50-50. Eh, mas dako akong naong. Thank you guys.
Look guys! Pakita!
So-
Pakita! Guys, my business plan!
So actually guys, the story behind this is that mo dyan siya ang original plan. Pero nalahi may growth na kay mali ang magagian. And then sala ni Roro kay nituo siya sa mga isa ka lalaki. Tapos nanamig Vipers. Pag-abot na mga Vipers, wa pa man mikabot Vipers si Roro, mura na magmulig tagom.
Guys!
Kaya wala siya hangin.
Correct is correct!
Truthfully speaking, as a kuya,
Okay, kabuha lang ang ipagtuloy!
ako siyang gitanaw. So,
Ano
Mais ro, mais. Dili ba? And as a matter of fact, mauli na may pero dapat nagkaon naman si Rurog, tulo ka tinapad, dulo ka itlog, duha ka Sprite, isa ka chocolate. Guys, so good na gid guys. Itong ginaingon nga uyaw. Nga na may guide. Thank you day kay Kuya Romel. Shout out kay Kuya Romel nga. Shout out kay Kuya Romel nga. Follow din ito yung YouTube guys eh. Amo lang i-plug dire yung YouTube. Shout out sa imo kaya. Thank you kayo sa imong pag-suggest sa mo. Ug karon kauban na tong pagumangko ni Kuya Romel si Kuya Dave. Haya. Shout out guys sa imo. Thank you kayo. Aliro. Sa picture nga.
Kapit na ta?
Oh, kawa-kawa na may sunod.
Guys, mo na din ang GG na juta.
Tanawa guys.
Ay, si Kuya, ipahayata ito lang kay Kuya.
Kaya ni mo ya. Ikaw na yawi. Na. Patupangan re. Na. Ay mali ya. Na. Sorry.
Guys!
Let's go guys.
Guys!
Ay sigsagit ba?
Ikaw sa una, ako na pagsunod. Ali, dali ko, wala ka ikaw.
Basta yun. Mas kaya. Diyan sa nung isa. Grabe, boys. Buhay naman ito. Aro. Oh, tara.
Taro nga, bay!
Paginay. Sige na. Oh, sige ra, sige ra. Paginay, pag pa-side view yung lawas, imong kusog. Na.
Coming for you, baby. Wait lang, babe. Papunta na ako.
Na, hi tita. Na, hi mama.
Try lang.
Na, hi mama. Pag hi kay tita ba? Na, ma.
Hey.
Ina, ma.
Woo!
Na, ma, salamat ma. Ina, pud. Pa, salamat pa. Ina ba? Yan, diraya. Dira mi sunod. 1, 2, 3. Lero.
Pag ako lagot ko. Pa-fail man dito ba? Asa mo na ako?
Ah. Ambak dia. Kaya ra, kamubo. Kauwi.
Akot.
Moro mag di mambak basakan lalulu.
Woo! Woo!
Let's go. Ayun na to ang guide guys. Sorry guys. Yan, nagunaon na sa Migamaya.
Hi, player! Today. Ano na?
Ah,
One. Ano? Hello, Philippines!
Philippines food.
Woo! Pakita ang view. Pakita ka mo.
No, okay.
GG.
Okay, yeah.
Dati mga.
Nakapaw. Tara, tara.
Tara.
Part si Kuya guys. Sharing mo guys. 30-30 may tanan guys. Red Bull 2025. Patay Red Bull.
Tama. Masyong. Makaya, eh?
Ah, sige.
Makaya, eh?
Oh. Baba pa. Napa isa. Na.
Kaya, eh?
Uy, grabe naman yun. Kaya ni.
Ipakita sa camera ba? Oo, hulog.
Da.
Thailand!
Dali, ikaw na piyon na diya. Ikaw video sa kuha. Sundi si Kuya. Pagtanaw.
Ay!
Tama na.
Ano mo ako?
Okay. Tanawa po dasa ka ni tama. Umigunit. Tanawa guys.
We're here! Pakita mo. We're here!
Grabe. Let's go! Opya!
Ay, bulan! Bahala na eh.
Oh! We're on our way! Oh, shiba! Go! Dito na. Big! Woo! Ha? Go! Go! Bintan, mo! Ha? Woo! Hey! Go! Salame! Stop! Ay, third stop na. Kumana na sa let's go! Fourth stop. Fourth stop! Lantaw Balod, Grassland, guys! Vipers Peak, Kawa-Kawa Falls. Oh! Paginay! Kami na, Big! Paginay! Guys! Grabe! Daw, samad ka? Samad? Kamot daw.
Okay lang. Okay, man.
Paginay lagi ba? Akong legonet, ano ba?
So at this part here, my thigh really hurt, so we had to cut the video a little bit.
Asa may nakuhan? Woo! Grabe naman eh. Sama na naunta ka ganina. Slide. Igot ba to? Normal ra. Part na sa soldier ro.
At this point, I was contemplating with how my knee really hurt, as well as how I didn't get an extra battery beforehand. So there were really a lot of cuts into the video until we made it to the final falls.
Nakarating na po kami.